It cranked when I didn't have fuel pump going. All right, so I have this car, the Kent car that he was a customer from Sweden, Kent Edin's car. What he did was copied his fun rival, Anders Bostic Enval, all of the equipment, like the chassis and the Chris Elson 4-link and full roll cage. Most all of that was pretty much copied from the Blackout SS. This is the Blackout SS right here. This is my car that I bought from Kent. So the plans with this car, it has an F2 blower, which goes here. That's set off to the side. I'm rewiring it, converting it to run like a cam sensor from the TorqHead signal kit. And I have the crank damper at TorqHead getting its 24X reluctor on it. So this will run the I have from Devin Vanderhorf, I have a wiring kit here set up for LS. And that's the status of this. I mean, honestly, one night I tried cranking it and I would turn it off, but it wouldn't crank initially with fuel pump going. So I just turned it off. It cranked when I didn't have fuel pump going. Initial crank. Just yell if you need anything. I'm going to see if the timing light works.
Is this mechanical setup in this one?
Yeah.
That's what I figured. Yeah. And it's the camshaft that he had in it?
It is. Yep. Yep. Refurb it. Just springs checked. watching the headers and see if they're cooking off. It's just the right side.
We'll raise the RPM up on this thing a little bit too, because I want it to be around 1,000, 1,100 at least in gear.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. I thought you said it like at 1,200. Yeah. Ah, that's cool. That was,
This old girl sounds good.
yeah, that was snappy.
Oh yeah, and that's me. Like I say, not that I think you will, but don't rev this thing up like it's blacky, because this thing is so soft on the gas pedal that like it's me going like you know, you see the blower cars where the blower goes like this a teeny bit and it's like revved up. It's almost like that on this thing, because there's no spring on it, so there's no resistance. She's idling up again because I'm leaning it out.
Did you say it's idling what?
It's idling up because I'm leaning it out.
Okay. Is it maintaining temp?
172. It's coming
Okay.
here.
And then the fan comes on. And...
You want to close that door?
Right now we're trying to get transmission fluid. Okay, it's not. It's better. Yeah. Hey, it's not dripping anymore. Although I still got to keep an eye on that.
I'm gonna back this thing up a car.
Then
Hot better. Hot better.
good,
Still
good.
might need a little bit, but it's where in the neighborhood.
Yep. Want me to put the hood down? No, it's good. The exhaust, just the exhaust. The pipes. Well, no, you're okay. It just pops a wheelie on the ramp. Good. Good. doesn't work. Fuel pressure gauge, oh well. That's no biggie. That's heating the oil because we're at 45 pounds, according to this.
I like the idle here too.
Oh good, so far so good? Yep, yep.
It's about 1050-ish. I like that. Green switch works first. Ready?
Okay. It actually works. Yeah, do a 2,000 RPM launch, but stop before you hit the garage.
It's going to yeah, let me save.
Oh, save the tune?
Yeah.
For Kent Edin. His car is finally running again. Hey, key on. It's running all natural with some restrictive piping. It's sort of like to even out the playing field. I really like, he had done a really good job with this transmission cooler. I don't know if I want to put a fan. I do want to put a fan on it, yes, because this thing is going to be hot. Hot lapping, as I like to say.